had a little bit of erosion trouble. I'd always liked the idea of cross fencing, rotating cattle. The field had force. We had a piece of hay ground that wasn't really suitable for hay ground, and they helped me turn it into pasture and put water to it. We started the wood exclusion fence, keep livestock out of the woods and the water lines first. We had to put the water troughs in before we could fence the creek out. Stock had the water. The fence is supposed to be 35 foot from the creek, but we went some places 150 foot from the creek. They let me control what kind of fence. They did not dictate to me the type of fencing. They said what the problems were and what we need to figure out how to correct. When I was a kid, my way of thinking up to a few years ago, if you had a creek run through your property, that was great. You had no watering troughs. They showed us that you can fence the creek out, use watering troughs and cross fencing and come out just as good, if not better. It's a simple contract that I can read, I can understand. I've learned a lot. Got educated on a lot of stuff that I used to think, well, you can't do that, that's a sissy farm. But once you get educated and learn why you need to do it, it makes a whole lot of sense. I believe that the cattle, where we wintered them in a roof feeding pad, their weight gains, each set of cattle will gain differently, but their weight gains prove that the building helped. I'd say the farm is more productive now than it was before. Once we got involved with it, something we took a little bit of pride in doing and decided to make it a permanent venture and let the next generation see that stuff can be changed for the better.